Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. Today's video is about the Tower of London, a deep dive into England's iconic castle. Let's begin and explore the most iconic castle of England. Greetings, fellow adventurers, and welcome to an enthralling expedition into the corridors of history. Today, our UK travel guide takes us on a captivating journey to the heart of England's past, the legendary Tower of London. Join me as we unveil its captivating history, decode its architectural wonders, delve into its profound significance, and explore 10 captivating facets that make it a must-visit destination. Number 10. Unveiling the Tower's origins. Our odyssey commences amidst the vibrant tapestry of London, where the epic tale of the Tower began over a millennium ago. Conceived by William the Conqueror in 1066, this monumental fortress stands as a testament to England's enduring spirit and resilience. From its early days as a symbol of power and authority, the Tower has withstood the march of time, a sentinel over London's evolution. Its strategic location on the banks of the River Thames further solidified its role as a guardian of the realm, both imposing and strategic. Number 9. A journey through architectural marvels. As we step through its ancient gates, a symphony of architectural styles unfolds, a harmonious fusion of diverse eras and aesthetics. From the formidable White Tower, an emblem of Norman strength, to the exquisite medieval chapel, each structure unveils a chapter of England's architectural evolution. Amidst its architectural wonders lies the captivating Inner Ward, a testament to the Tower's adaptability over time. With layers of history etched into its walls, the Inner Ward showcases a progression of architectural styles, revealing the changing tastes and needs of its inhabitants through the centuries. Number 8. Echoes of royalty and legacy. Our expedition takes us deeper, immersing us in the echoes of history etched within the stone walls. Within these storied confines, the crown jewels sparkle, preserving the legacy of monarchs and dynasties that have left their mark. The ever-watchful ravens, shrouded in myth and tradition, evoke a sense of ancient mystique. Beyond the opulence of the crown jewels lies a trove of artifacts that offer intimate glimpses into the lives of those who inhabited the tower. The royal armories housed within its walls showcase an array of weaponry and armor that tell tales of battles fought and won, a testament to the tower's military significance. Number 7. Legends and lore. Yet the tower's significance surpasses its architectural grandeur. It encapsulates the collective memory of epochs, bearing witness to coronations, imprisonments, and enigmatic narratives. From the lingering presence of Anne Boleyn's specter to the timeless legend of the Ravens, each stone resonates with untold stories. Amidst the bustling tourist activity, the tower's legends continue to thrive. Visitors from around the world are drawn not only to its historical significance, but also to its mystical allure. The legend of the Ravens, whose fate is intertwined with that of the kingdom, continues to captivate the imagination of those who visit. Number 6. Pivotal moments in history. As we journey through time, pivotal moments come alive within the tower's walls. It bore witness to the trials of Queen Anne Boleyn, the seismic upheaval of the War of the Roses, and the enigmatic reign of King Henry VI. Every corner echoes with the triumphs and tribulations that shaped England. These pivotal moments underscore the Tower's role as both witness and participant in history. From the tumultuous reign of Richard II to the tumultuous Tudor period, the Tower's stones have absorbed the stories of those who walked its halls, leaving behind an indelible imprint on the tapestry of England's narrative. Number 5. Guardians of tradition. Among the Tower's stories, a steadfast presence endures: the yeoman warders. Clad in their distinctive attire, these guardians stand as sentinels of tradition, preserving the Tower's legacy, while adding a touch of pageantry. Their role extends beyond ceremony, as they bridge the gap between past and present. The yeoman warders, often affectionately referred to as beefeaters, are not only the Tower's historical interpreters, but also its living embodiment. Beyond their ceremonial duties, they engage with visitors, sharing captivating stories that breathe life into the Tower's history, ensuring that its past remains a vibrant part of the present. Number 4. Intrigue within the tower's depths. Within the shadowy depths, tales of captivity and courage unfold. The tower's dungeons once held the illustrious Sir Walter Raleigh and countless others whose fates were entwined with England's history. The enigma of their experiences resonates, reminding us of the tower's duality as both fortress and prison. As darkness falls and the tower's stone walls cast long shadows, the haunting stories of its imprisoned residents come to life. The dungeons that once held historical figures now stand as a somber reminder of human resilience in the face of adversity. These stories of captivity and the pursuit of freedom serve as a poignant testament to the indomitable spirit of those who were confined here. Number 3. Restoration and preservation efforts. While history commands attention, behind-the-scenes efforts ensure the tower's splendor endures. Restoration initiatives and meticulous preservation strategies safeguard its architectural integrity. The delicate balance between conservation and accessibility ensures that the tower's stories endure for generations. The tower's enduring charm is a result of diligent preservation efforts that allow it to retain its historical authenticity. Behind the scenes, experts meticulously analyze and conserve the tower's structures, artifacts, and archives. This commitment to preservation ensures that future generations can walk the same paths and witness the same stories that have enchanted visitors for centuries. Number 2. A timeless magnet for adventurers. In the modern age, the tower's allure remains irresistible, drawing wanderers from around the world. As contemporary explorers wander its cobblestone pathways and contemplate its stories, they become part of its timeless legacy. The tower, a portal to bygone eras, invites all to walk in the footsteps of history. For modern adventurers, the tower is not just a relic of the past, it's a living connection to history that bridges centuries. As tourists from diverse backgrounds step onto its grounds, they bring with them a shared sense of wonder, curiosity, and reverence for the stories that have unfolded within these walls. Number 1. A living monument to England's spirit. Our expedition crescendos with the realization that the Tower of London is more than a fortress. It's a living monument to England's indomitable spirit. It stands as a sentinel, a witness to the rise and fall of empires, and a guardian of tales that bridge generations. As we bid farewell to its hallowed grounds, we carry its echoes within us, a reminder that history lives on in every stone. Beyond its historical and architectural significance, the tower embodies a collective memory, a reflection of triumphs, struggles, and the enduring resilience of a nation. It's a place where visitors can touch the past, absorb its lessons, and feel the heartbeat of England's story. As we depart the tower's embrace, we carry forward its legacy, inspired to explore, learn, and preserve the threads that weave our shared narrative. That's it. As our remarkable journey concludes, the Tower of London stands as a testament to the resilience of the human narrative. Its walls resonate with echoes of the past. Its corridors whisper stories of kings and queens, triumphs and tribulations. We hope this immersive exploration has sparked your curiosity and ignited a passion for uncovering the hidden gems of history. As you wander through time within the tower's embrace, remember that you're a part of its ongoing saga. Until we reunite for our next travel, may your travels be filled with wonder, discovery, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribed to the channel. See you in the next video.